Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. As we make our way around the boat, this model is equipped with the light gray hull color with red graphics. It has the bimini top with the black canvas. On the aft end, we've got swim platforms on both sides that are angled slightly outward away from the motor, and the boat is powered by a 90 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury. On the port side, there's a telescoping boarding ladder. Beneath the helm bench seat are two portable fuel tanks. We've got stainless steel grab rails on both sides of the boat, white rub rail. On the foredeck, there's a compartment for your anchor. Boat does come with a trailer with a swing tongue. And then forward of the helm is a lockable storage compartment that's also drained. And here's your helm area. You do have a 12-volt charging port for your devices. And also standard is a storage box that can also serve as a seat. And that's a walkthrough of our Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.